Good afternoon, student. Now in this class we are going to see about looping or iterative statement. In our previous lecture we have studied about the conditional statement and we have seen several programs based on your conditional statement. Now in this lecture we are going to start looping statement. Now see, the looping statement is used to perform a set of instructions repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. That means we can execute the statement or instruction again and again while the condition is fulfilled by the loop. So in Python we can use two loop. First one is your for loop, this is also called counting loop. Second one is your while loop, this is called conditional loop. Now see, first one is your for loop. Now if we are going to use for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, that is either a list, either a tuple, or either a dictionary, either a set or a string. That means for loop can be executed for sequence. अब वो सीक्वेंस लिस्ट टाइप का है हमारा, या टपल टाइप का है, कि डिक्शनरी टाइप का है, सेट है या स्ट्रिंग है. Later in the further class we will see about the tuples, dictionary, set or string. Now syntax for your for loop is for variable in sequence or range and statement. That means we can write for loop in two ways. First one is for a sequence and for a range. We will see in our program later. Now first of all, before for loop we have to see about range function. Now what is the range function? Range function is used to generate a list or sequence in Python. So why should we use range function? Because if we are going to work with for loop, then if we want to generate a sequence or list, then we have to use range function. What will be the syntax of range function? Is range, after writing range we have to give the open and small close bracket. This is called parenthesis. Within parenthesis we have to mention three things. First one is start value, end value and increment value. Increment value is also called your step value. Step value, yeah, step increment value. Step value, this is also called step value. Increment value is also called step value, and this increment value is optional. We can write increment value and we cannot. It depends on our range or sequence. Now for example, if we have defined range 0 to 5, now if we defined range 0 to 5, that means the range function is, it generates the sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because start value is 0 and end value is 5. So this range function is generate the sequence 0 to 5. Now if we are going to see about the range function, like if we have write range zero to 5 and here step value is 2. Now our sequence will be generated by this function is first value is 0, then our sequence will be first is 0 and the step value or increment value will be added in the your start value. That means 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now this value will increment by 2. 2 is, if 2 is incremented by 2, then 2 plus 2 will give 4. Then 4. Again this will incremented by 2. Then this will be 6. And 6 is not in range 5 because 6 is greater than 5. That means your required sequence will be printed as 0 to 4. Now see here in this function, here we cannot have 5. The range will not include 5 because this will be only from 0 to 4. See here, this sequence will be 0 to 4 because the last value is not included in the range. Last value, int value minus 1. The range sequence will be generated from int value minus 1. Last value is not included. This will be the excluded. That means sequence is int value minus 1. Int value minus 1. So I hope you have clear the concept. Now suppose that if we have write a range function, range 2 to 10 and increment by minus 2 to 10. We are not going to define your start value. Then this will be start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will not be included because it excludes the last value, int value minus 1, and by default step value is plus 1. By default step value will be plus 1. Most important thing, because in this range we are not going to define the increment value, step value, but it generated the sequence like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because the by default step value will be plus 1. Now see here 1 and 0 is not included in this range because it include the start value but exclude the last value. Last से हमेशा एक कम print होगा by using range function, and you can also use the decrement value to print the range. Now see with the help of a program. Suppose that we are going to write a program. Suppose that for I is the variable. You can take any variable a, b, c, d, x, y, z, anything. You can take any variable. I have taken I. For I in range 10 to 2 and minus 1. See here 10 to 2 and increment value is minus 1, and we put the colon in the last of the loop. Here 1 minute. Now see we have write 10 to 2 minus 1 and we have to put colon. This will be colon, and now print I. Now our output will be, your output will be generated from 10. Now step value is minus 1. That means it will be decremented 10 to 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So this is your sequence generated by the for loop by using range function. Now we will discuss it in our practical class. Second loop is our while loop. A while loop is a conditional loop, and we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. Just वाइल लूप हमारा तब तक एग्जीक्यूट करता है स्टेटमेंट को जब तक कि हमारा कंडीशन ट्रू है, जो हमने लूप में डिफाइन कर रखा है। नाउ सिंटेक्स फॉर वाइल लूप इज वाइल कंडीशन एंड लूप बॉडी और स्टेटमेंट। नाउ see it with the example. Suppose that first of all we have x equal to 10. We have defined a variable x equal to 10. Now we are going to initialize loop while x is while x is greater than 10. Sorry, while x is less than 10. While x is less than 10, put colon, print you can print x, you can print any statement, print while loop, print while loop, while loop. Now we have to define here increment or decrement value of the loop. Then x equal to x minus 1. Now your output will be, it prints 9 times while loop, it prints 9 times hello loop. Now we will discuss this in our practical lecture. And while loop start from the 0. So this is the about a loop body. Now all the loop will clear in our practical class. So thank you for watching.